Hi guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA ThinkPhone, and let me show you how to boot developer options. At first, enroll the list of all apps and then reach settings. Now find and select About Phone and locate build number here. Tap on it 7 times and then provide your screen lock password. And as you can see, you've just unlocked your developer options, so let's go back and now enter system. So here developer options appeared, click to open and now you can smoothly use everything. So this is it, so you can activate developer options, then whenever you wish to switch it off, just unmark the stop switcher, and as you can see it's no longer active, and whenever you go back they will disappear from the system. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.